kids are being exploited, kids are being hurt. I think even though it's a gorgeous place, it's like not unlike other places where there are things happening to young people that call upon adults to take a more active role in protecting them.
I think that even though Bend is a beautiful place, bad people exist and they're here, and law enforcement working in partnership with Kids Center to provide them a chance to tell their story and then to give them services so they can be successful afterwards.
I've seen these kids in the beginning and they look empty and there's not a lot of hope there. And then you see them go through the process at the Kids Center and work with those wonderful people, and you see them get the strength and you see them look brighter.
I think Kids Center is really important to kids in our community because during a period in their life that they're going through the most difficult thing, which is child abuse, Kids Center pulls all the community partners together to make sure that we're wrapping our services around the child in a synergistic way to help them towards healing, recovery, and stabilization.
Law enforcement sees kids on their worst day, and Kids Center provides a place where kids can come tell their story in an environment that's conducive to them.
Kids Center is important to kids in our community here because it's a safe and welcoming place to walk into. It's a place where kids know that they will feel heard and their information will be believed. And one of the great things about families connecting with Kids Center in particular is they can feel an ongoing level of support.
So Kids Center is essential to the successful prosecution of any child abuse case, whether it's a medical examination, forensic interview, or expert testimony presented at trial. Kids Center provides a prosecutor all the tools necessary to successfully prosecute a case.
So what I see is that Kids Center has been able, time and time again, to be that helping hand.
Kids Center works with multiple counties in the surrounding area and provides the same level of service, whether you're right here close to home or out in the neighboring counties.
I think it's a shared responsibility, but they're certainly leading the way. They're the ones who bring everyone together. Kids Center helps us do is to stay focused as a community about protecting the most vulnerable people.
We should all support Kids Center because without them, I don't think we'd be successful.
We should all support Kids Center because they provide high-quality forensic interviews, medical exams, and mental health therapy to kids in our community who have gone through some of the worst trauma in their life and are on the road to recovery and healing.
We should all support Kids Center because Kids Center is the single greatest tool we have to combat child abuse in our community.
Without them, without their collaboration, without their vision, we wouldn't be closer to ending that and protecting children in our community.
Because of Kids Center, the kids in our community will always have a chance. They'll always be resilient and able to grow into their true selves.
We get to step back and allow kids to heal and move forward, which may be the most important part of the Kids Center's full package of services, is really giving kids the opportunity to be healed and to be made whole.
Because of Kids Center, the kids in our community feel safe to disclose past incidences of abuse and trauma and know that someone is there to listen and help keep them safe going forward.
In the time that I've been in this community working, that I have had nothing but great experiences working with the Kids Center staff. I feel that they are able to see the big picture. I think they know what true collaboration is. They provide high quality service, and if there's an organization you want to support in town, if you care about children, if you care about a safe community, it's Kids Center.